Ever find yourself dreaming about a fresh, sleek kitchen? Today we're breaking down the process to make that dream kitchen a reality. First and foremost, the planning stage is crucial. This is where you envision your ideal kitchen. Think about what works in your current setup, what doesn't, and what you'd like to add. Consider the flow of your kitchen, the appliances you'll need, and the overall style you're going for. Now, onto the design. This is where you turn your vision into a tangible plan. Sketch out your kitchen, noting where each appliance and piece of furniture will go. Remember to keep functionality in mind, ensuring there's enough space for you to cook and move around comfortably. Next, we move on to budgeting. This is where you determine how much you're willing to spend on your kitchen renovation. Be realistic and account for everything: materials, labor, appliances, and those unexpected costs that almost always show up. Once you have your budget, it's time to choose your materials. Whether it's quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, or hardwood floors, select materials that are durable, easy to maintain, and align with the style of your kitchen. The final step in the planning process is hiring contractors. Look for professionals who are experienced, reliable, and come with good recommendations. Remember, these are the people who will bring your dream kitchen to life, so choose wisely. With your plan in place, it's time to start the renovation. Remember to be patient. A good renovation takes time. Now let's talk about maximizing space. Consider installing cabinets that reach the ceiling, using pull-out shelves, and incorporating an island for additional storage and counter space. And what about modern trends? Open shelving, matte finishes, and smart appliances are all the rage these days. But remember, while it's nice to have a trendy kitchen, it's more important to have a kitchen that suits your needs and lifestyle. In summary, renovating your kitchen involves careful planning and design, thoughtful budgeting, choosing durable materials, and hiring experienced contractors. With these steps, you can create a kitchen that's not only stylish, but also functional and efficient. So whether you're a seasoned home chef or a microwave maestro, a well-planned kitchen renovation can transform your cooking space into a place of joy and inspiration. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks.